Accidentally factory reset your Android? Lost important data? In this video, we'll show you 5 effective ways to recover data after a factory reset and get your files back fast. Part 1. When you factory reset your Android phone. Selling or giving away the phone. Fixing software issues. Improving performance. Preparing for a major update. Removing unwanted accounts or restrictions. Resolving network or battery problems. Part 2. How to restore data after factory reset Android from local backup. Go to Settings. Backup and restore may vary by device. Enable Create Backup and follow prompts. After reset, go back to Backup and Restore. Tap Restore, choose your backup file, and start restoring. Part 3. How to recover data after factory reset Android via Google Backup. Go to Settings. Google Backup. Enable backup to Google Drive and automatic restore. After factory reset, sign in with your Google account during setup. Choose Restore when prompted to recover your data. Part 4. How to restore files after factory reset Android via Google Photos. Open Google Photos and sign in with your backup account. View backed up photos, select what you need, and download to your device. Part 5. How to recover data after resetting Android via Samsung Cloud. Samsung. After reset, set up your Samsung and sign into your Samsung account. Go to Settings. Accounts and Backup. Samsung Cloud. Tap Restore Data. Choose what to restore. Then tap Restore Now. Part 6. How to recover data after factory reset Android without backup. Accidentally reset your phone? If you backed up, some data can be restored, but recent files may be missing. No backup. Use Android Data Recovery to scan and recover files even after a factory reset. Step 1. Connect and detect your phone. Launch Android Data Recovery on your computer. Connect your phone via USB and enable USB debugging. Once detected, select Android Data Recovery mode. Step 2. Scan for the deleted files. From the screen, choose the desired data types that you want to recover and click Next. The smart program will promptly initiate the scanning process on your device. Step 3. Recover data after factory reset. Once the scan is over, it will present a comprehensive list of the recovered items on its screen. Pick the content you wish to retrieve. To save the chosen files on your computer, simply click the Recover button.